5'5.5". I am wearing the darkest watch. It's called Rio Rapids, and that's where the 25 inches hits me.
Yeah. Gorgeous,
and
right?
They are terrific.
It's really coming down. It's a great crop. You know, it's not hugging the calf. It's relaxed. It's beautiful, and it's the right premium fabrication.
Reshape your body thanks to lifting and tucking and smoothing. I am in the darkest wash. That would be the Rio Rapids, and I am wearing a size 2. Again, these are new right now. One small order, and the Piper is only sale price till the end of the day. Who immediately is going to show you the size chart. These are great,
and I so much to talk about with these. Yes. We'll get to the size chart, and then we've got to talk about fabrication. Okay, go. Is wrapped around you. It's making sure that you're comfortable, confident. It stays in place. Yes, the lift tuck is in there, so once you size down, it activates. There's our patented panel. It's going to, and we put it on. What is our best relaxed fit is the Piper, because Piper, I'm going to use you as my main model if you don't mind.
Why, sure.
So the Piper, as we said, is 25 inches. But what we do is Piper opens up right at the thigh. So right when we get to the knee, it's actually 18 inches here. Then she starts to taper down to 16.5. So she's beautifully relaxed. Of course, she comes with that great higher waist, which comes right up to your, actual navel. Beautiful. And then, as we can see, perfect fit in the back. Shawn's getting all that support that she gets every time she puts on NYDJ. She can snap that back without any problem, even in this beautiful, sumptuous lightweight. That's the Rio Rapids. You're getting a very deep, dark, inky, gorgeous.
They feel so good.
They're so soft and good. Okay, now, Costa Brava.
Rick here.
I do this.
Beyond.
It's beyond. It's so sumptuous and so
tensile built into their denim. So, full disclosure, if you have other NYDJ denim, that denim is thicker.
Yeah.
This is a lighter weight, almost like a paperweight denim. It is extraordinarily soft and supple and perfect. If you're familiar with what chambray feels like and how it moves, it's very similar.
And look again at the relaxation. So you're getting the perfect fit on Shawn. This is the Rio Rapids, and how Piper is different in our collection. Piper then literally at the thigh starts to open. So she then becomes 18 inches through here. Then she tapers back to 16.5. So you're getting, every time each of you are moving, it's still relaxed. It's not clinging to your leg. It's that perfect Canary Beach, which I'm going to come over and show you. It looks fabulous.
Come join us.
Yeah, come join us.
I feel like, Jackie, you're so
we don't mean to leave her out. Oh my gosh, no. And then we thought, okay, but let's take the Costa.
It feels like and how it moves, it's very similar.
And look again at the relaxation. So you're getting the perfect fit on Shawn. This is the Rio Rapids, and how Piper is different in our collection. Piper then literally at the thigh starts to open. So she then becomes 18 inches through here. Then she tapers back to 16.5. So you're getting, every time each of you are moving, it's still relaxed. It's not clinging to your leg. It's that perfect crop length at 25 inseam, but it's perfectly relaxed. And it's not a wide leg, because we do a lot of great wide legs, but we wanted you to have a relaxed, classic jean, and Piper delivers. And this fabrication is nuts. It's so good.
It's nuts, and you'll wear it in full.